Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Bad's tutorial, and for today's video, I will be teaching you how to do this trend, which is the AI baby singing Chinese. First, you need to download this Chinese audio, which we will be using in our video. Make sure it's an MP3 file. To download it, just copy the link of this TikTok video, then paste it into this website to download it. Next, go to Google Chrome and visit the Hydra.ai website. Once you're in, click Try Now. Next, you need to sign in with your Google account before you can create a video. Tick all three circled, then tap Create Account. Again, click Try Now. Tap Add Audio Script. Select Upload Audio. Tap I consent. Then select the Chinese audio that you downloaded. Tap Add to Video. Next, tap Add Character. Select Upload Image, then select Photo Library or Gallery. Choose the baby photo you want to edit. After all that, tap the upward arrow to generate the video. Close any video ads if they pop up. Then tap Continue. Please be patient because there are others generating videos too. Just wait until it reaches 100%. And after a long wait, here's the result of my video. That's all. I hope this video helps you create the AI baby singing video trend. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.